Now we'll see about regular expressions in R programming. What are regular expressions? So if you know anything related to text analysis, regular expressions will constitute most of the uh, premises of text analytics. So they are understanding these will be very much useful in analyzing unstructured data. So regular expressions can be thought of as a combination of literals and meta characters. What are these? I'll show you with examples in these slides. So to draw an analogy with natural language, think of literal text forming the words of this language and the meta characters defining its grammar. So the meta characters, again, it's related to the metadata and database management, where meta characters define will tell you what those characters are really for and what this characters meaning really is. So regular expressions, they have a very rich set of meta characters. So moving on, what are literals? So I'm showing the simplest pattern. The only literals. Literals are nothing but uh, just a word or characters just matter directly. I have a set of examples here. So as you can see, there are like multiple text which have the word nuclear in it, but the usage of nuclear is different, and the sentiment behind every usage is different. For example, the first line, ooh, I just learned that to keep myself alive after a nuclear blast, all I have to do is milk some rats, then drink the milk. Awesome. So this is think of it as like some kind of a Facebook or a Twitter feed that's coming out. So like in the first sentence, you saw someone like making fun of the nuclear blast. So you have the word nuclear along with it. So Lavoisier says nuclear weapons are mass macho. So Laozi is some kind of Mexican statement where you have the nuclear weapons or it defines the characteristics of a male. So chaos in a country that has nuclear weapons, not good. So this is one more sentence. My nephew is trying to teach me nuclear physics or possibly just trying to show me how smart he is. So I'll be proud of him. So lot lol, if you ever say nuclear, people immediately think death by radiation. Lol. So you see multiple usages of the word nuclear here. So let's say there is a text analytics you have to run, and you want to see how many people how people are talking about a nuclear test or a nuclear blast that happened. There cannot be a nuclear blast, but if there is any kind of nuclear test run by any countries, and is there someone who is talking on Twitter or Facebook. So as you can see, the word nuclear is spoken by a lot of people, and as you can see from the text, there are the sentiments are much different. So in these, your task will be to identify those which talk relatively to the nuclear test or something like that. So the problem definition may vary, but here if I use slash nuclear, it will given using R programming, the slash nuclear will match to all these statements, and from these statements you can extract the statements that you require from the for your analysis purpose. So it is a simple literal, which means nothing but you are searching for the text nuclear, that's all. You're searching for nuclear, and if it is found in that, it will return a positive match. So again, I extracted these examples from online. So as you can see, the next literal Obama so would match to the following lines. So for example, there is you can see as these will be like Facebook or Twitter feeds. Politics are dumb. Not too long ago, Clinton was saying Obama was crap. Now she's vote for him and unite. WTF, screw on both, plus McCain, go Ron Paul. So this is some kind of a Facebook or Twitter feed wherein uh, a user is showing his anger towards Obama. So now Clinton concedes to Obama, but will follows listen. So Clinton, as they're talking about Hillary Clinton, so that's the reason we are getting will her follows listen. Are we sure Chelsea didn't vote for Obama? Thinking Michelle Obama is terrific. Jet lag, no sleep, early morning to Starbucks. Miss Obama was moving. So Again, here also you found a lot of statements relating to Obama. So if there is an analysis where you want to find how the people who are talking about Obama and their sentiments, you need to perform a sentiment analysis. So you can move on to use the simple literal. Obama will give you all these sentences where the word Obama was used. Now, so the simplest pattern that I showed you for nuclear and Obama are best examples, which contains only of literals. A match occurs if the sequence of literals occurs anywhere in the text being tested. What if we only want the word Obama or sentences that in the word Clinton, sentences that end in the word Clinton? So I'm being specific here where I want the sentence that ends with Clinton. The last word is Clinton or Clinto with a capital C, with a small c, and n being removed in the end. So if I want to extract the word that in the end of the word, how should I do it? So now regular expressions, using regular expressions uh, with addition to that simplest simple literals, you can get to those kind of things. So uh, what are the possibilities that you might need later? So we need a way to express white space word boundaries, sets of literals that might be you need to extract from the data, the beginning and end of a line, and alternatives. Like if there is like you want to search for a same word can be described like someone can use a nickname for a person. For example, the previous example we saw Clinton. So maybe his nickname was Clinto or something. But you want to see or Clinton or Clinto. You want to search both. So how do we do that? So we have these meta characters which will define the set of literals, and they will be helpful for extracting those kind of data.